The SECUPRO MERAK from MARTOR is a comfortable safety knife with a well-proportioned cutting depth. The handle is suitable for both left and right-handers. To cut, release lock and squeeze lever. When finished, always lock. The blade retracts fully automatically, even when you keep the lever squeezed. Cutting is especially ergonomic when your hand and arm form a straight line, and lock. Then unlock again to cut. For example, plastic strapping band at an angle of 45 degrees. Or any type of film. Also, when cutting tape, squeeze lever, pierce, cut. Important: never put your free hand on the cutting path. For better guidance when using the safety knife, insert fully and keep the lever squeezed. The blade retracts as soon as it loses contact with the material being cut. Very important, never cut directly towards you. The safety technology engages as soon as you apply sufficient pressure to the blade. Nevertheless, as a rule, never cut directly towards you, even when you can rely on the fully automatic blade retraction. When finished, always lock. A cutting depth of just 9 mm protects packaged goods. For cutting windows, again release the lock and activate the blade. Then pierce and cut. If necessary, keep changing hands. And continue to cut. SECUPRO MERAK blades can be turned around multiple times. Is your knife locked? Then press the blade change button and lift lever. Remove cover. And by applying a little pressure, lever the blade upwards. Important, do not touch the cutting edge. Always touch the blade at the blunt side. Turn the blade around and place the blade precisely on the lobes. Close the cover and click the lever. Release the lock to enable a one-off test, then relock. When all 4 cutting edges have been used, replace the blade. Press the blade change button and lift catch. Change blades early to ensure optimal cutting performance. To do this, remove the blade and dispose of instantly. Only use MARTOR blades. When inserting the blade, place exactly on the location lobe. Lever back and click in, unlock, test, lock. Before cleaning the knife, remove the blade and place down safely. Tap out and blow out to remove dust and dirt. Reinsert the blade precisely. Close everything, test, and replace locked into the belt holster. Use our other media as well, for example, our safety poster, and follow the instructions in the user manual.